Good morning, kids. Today is Monday and today is our English class. So, we have completed E sound words. Now, we will do match the following. We will match pictures with their names. Page number 54 in your workbook. So, firstly, we will write date 24/8/20 and then we will write CW for classwork. Now read this word KEG. Keg. Look here, which one is keg? Yes, this one. This one is keg. So we will match keg with its picture. Next is YAN. Yen. So this one is yen. Yen. We will match it. Next is net. 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 So now 3 pictures are left. Which one is net? This last picture is net. So we will match name with its picture. Now look here, what is this? NEST. Now speak all sounds and then blend them. What is the sound of N? N. E. N. E. What is the sound of S? S. N. S. T. N. S. T. Nest. N. S. T. Nest. Bird's home. Nest. So we will match nest with its picture. Now last one is TEN. Ten. So here is 10. We will match 10 with its picture. So like this you will do this page as classwork. Next we will write rhyming words. You know the meaning of rhyming words? Words that ends with same sound are called rhyming words. Look here. What is written? Add. So look carefully. Add. Same sound at the last. Add. 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 Fed. So these all are rhyming words. Same like this. Egg. 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 Leg. Egg. Beg. Egg. Peg. Like this we can write two rhyming words of each word. So let's try it. You can do from here also. You can look here. Act. So here are rhyming words of act. Act. Set. At. Jet. At. Net. At. Let. These all are rhyming words of act. You can write any two. So we will write at. Set. At Z. Any two you can write. Next is N. E, N. N. So you can write ten, hen, men, yen, den, pen. Any two you can write. So write here T, E, N. Ten, H, E, N. Hen. Now add. E, D, add. So we can write R, add. Red, B, add. Bed. Now egg. So look here, we can write this one keg, peg, leg, bag, egg. Anyone we can write. So I am going to write leg and cake. Now last is ab. 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 So we can write W, E, B, web. Now second word we will write fab. F, E, B. Fab. So do your work in good handwriting. Have a nice day everyone.